Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1058 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to try out this beautiful highlighter. This is from OFRA, which OFRA makes amazing highlighters, and this is the shade Blissful. So I actually got this in Ipsy. It was something that I was able to redeem my points for. So I think this is the old packaging of the OFRA highlighters, because you can still buy the full-size Blissful highlighter on the OFRA website for $35, but it's in their new refillable magnetic packaging. So I have gotten a couple, one or two OFRA highlighters in this old packaging in Ipsy, and I mean the product is great. It's still like the full size, I believe, but it's just that different packaging. But good to know if I love this highlighter that I can still purchase it. But so it just looks so metallic, and I love this shade. It's kind of bronzy and rose. Like it's like half rose, half bronzy, and it's so beautiful. It seems like a really unique shade. That texture felt really buttery, and oh my gosh, that swatch is amazing. So pigmented, so shiny. Look at that reflection. It's beautiful. See, this is what I love. I mean, I haven't even applied it to my face yet, but it has sheen, reflection, but it doesn't have sparkle to it. It's not like a streak of glitter. Like, it's just got this metallic glow. So here is an up-close view of the swatch. So I want to just dig my finger in, apply it to my cheeks with full pigment, but I want to resist, and first I want to apply just like a thin amount with this fan brush here to try and see how it looks with more like a subtle glow, a light layer. So just picking up a little bit with the fan brush here, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the tops of my cheeks. And it is just such a thin, light amount, but it's already giving glow to my skin. All right, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more, gonna pick up a tiny bit more. Oh my gosh, so pretty and so buildable. And I'm loving this shade. Like, it's already giving such radiance to my skin. It's giving that like wet skin, glass skin effect. And the texture is just so smooth on the skin. I can't believe there's already this much glow and radiance just from two thin layers with the fan brush. Like, most highlighters, this is the amount of glow I get when I apply a lot of it with my finger. So I'm so excited to see how it's gonna look when I apply it with my finger, like I normally apply my highlighters, because this is what gives the most pigment. And oh my gosh, does this get blinding? Oh, like this is everything I want in a highlighter. It looks incredible. Like, it looks so smooth on the skin. It's so blinding, but the perfect color where it just kind of goes with my face. It looks like glass skin. It looks glossy, but not like greasy. Like, look at that compared to my face without it. Like, these features, it just looks like my cheekbone is so much higher. It looks so much more youthful, glowing, radiant, just amazing. And that, like, it doesn't leave like a powdery texture. It like somehow can look natural on my face. Like, this is like the natural texture of my face. Oh my gosh. I am blown away by this. I just think this is the perfect shade. I feel like it's so unique, I don't have highlighters really in this shade, but it's absolutely perfect. And I don't think that it's just perfect for like my fair skin with like the natural redness, cool tone to it. I feel like this would look so beautiful on everyone. So on this side, I just went right ahead and I applied it with my regular technique of using my finger, and it just blends out so easily. It looks so seamless on the skin and on top of my makeup. It just gives exactly what I want for my highlight. I seriously just want to apply this everywhere, like beautiful brow highlight because it's so shiny and reflective. It's amazing. Like, this is for me a 5 out of 5 incredible highlighter. I absolutely recommend it. I am picky with my highlighters. Like, if you've seen my highlighter reviews, you know that I'm really into texture. Like, I don't want it to look like powder on my face. I don't want it to look like a streak of glitter on my face. I don't want it to emphasize any texture or large pores. And this, it just does none of that. And it gives so much radiance and glow and just beauty to the skin. I just want everyone to be able to wear this and have this gorgeous glow to their face. Oh, it's just so true. OFRA makes amazing highlighters. What I would really love to get is one of those OFRA palettes that has like the highlighters and the eyeshadows and stuff. There probably are some on sale. So if you have any recommendations of those, let me know, because I am just obsessed with the OFRA highlighters and the OFRA formulas. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.